Alright guys, today we're going to install this ceramic tint in our van today. It's evolved by SunTek. This is the ceramic non-metal technology. This one is our best ceramic right here that we're getting today. I recommend getting this brand. Got this little display thing here, clear glass and heat coming through, and it's really hot. The Evolve 30, almost no heat coming through, very little. Surface is warm, the glass, you can feel it. The 70, little bit of heat, and then this is their other ceramic. This one has heat coming. This one sucks. This one's good. We're getting this one. We're gonna be doing 70% on the front windshield, which is the legal amount, and we're gonna be doing 30 in the front windows. Wow, so they have this little thermal imaging device. So this is the clear glass. Let's see what happens with the 30. It's disappearing. All right, it is 2 o'clock. It's pretty much peak heat. It is 102 degrees outside right now. And let's see, 196 max heat on the dash. And then inside temperature, I would say 120. So 120 average inside the van, 196 degrees on the dash. It's 100 degrees outside. It's 2 o'clock, and after we get the tint done tomorrow, we are gonna do the same thing. And tomorrow is about the same temperature. It's hot all week. It'll probably hit 100 tomorrow as well. So also, when I'm driving, you can feel the heat coming through the windshield a pretty good amount, I would say. You can definitely feel it. You feel the radiant heat just going right through. It's still super duper hot, 103, 100 degrees today. And yeah. All right, so it is the next day after I got my car tinted. So I got 30% on the front windows. Is the legal amount that he allowed me to get while keeping warranty, and then I got 70% in the front windshield. So 70% in the front windshield. Ceramic, SunTek. And we're gonna test the temperature again today. All right, it is super hot today. It's 100 degrees, 3 o'clock, and the peak temperature 174, 175, 176. And then inside is 118. That's pretty cool. 100 degrees peak. So the tint is working pretty good.